Welcome to Holistic Hands University. Today, we will discuss dry skin brushing. To begin, lie a towel beneath your feet. It will collect the dead skin cells. When using your dry skin brush, remember to use natural bristle brush and doing long strokes up towards the heart. When going over joints and organs, we always recommend doing gentle, circular, clockwise motions. Some of the benefits of dry skin brushing include reducing the appearance of cellulite and eliminating dead skin cells. It enhances blood circulation and cleansing of the lymphatic system. Stimulating skin cells increases circulation, enhancing the release of endorphins. When going over the abdominals, we always recommend circular clockwise motions. Dry skin brushing over the abdominals rejuvenates the nervous system, enhances nutrients absorption by the skin, promotes even fat distribution, and enhances digestion and kidney functionality. Dry skin brushing of the lower body entails long strokes starting either at the center of the body or at the feet. Today, we will teach from the waist down. When doing strokes in dry skin across the abdominals, starting at the belly button region, always stroke down towards the bladder. The idea is that the lymphatic system will indeed purge through and you'll eliminate through elimination of urine. When working the hips, always remember circular motions at the hip joint. As many circular motions as you'd like. It increases circulation, helps with flexibility, and reduces the appearance of cellulite. When doing strokes up the thigh, work on an inner towards the inner thigh motion, going up the outside and inside towards the inner thigh. Circular motions is best. 2 to 3 times or as many times as your favorite number is suffice. Dry skin brushing removes dead skin cells, increases circulation, stimulates and fights and corrects uneven fat distribution and cellulite. Always remember to use natural bristle brushes when doing dry skin brushing. For more information or for a consultation on your best skin type, please contact holistichehands.org. Thank you for joining us on Holistic Hands University.